It's Tuesday, June 23rd. Here's what today's story could mean for the Korean market. So we're looking at the KOSPI 200, which is up like 10% month to date.
Right, a huge run.
Yeah, but get this, the X-Megacap Index is actually down 2.48%.
Yeah, it's a completely different story there.
Exactly. And on top of that, foreign investors net sold 2.55 trillion won, which is about $1.8 billion, on the exact day the index hit a record.
It really highlights the divergence,
Okay, let's unpack this. It's like a sports team where two star players, Samsung Electronics and SK Hynix, score all the points, but the rest of the roster is losing ground.
That is a perfect way to put it.
So our missions for you today: does this two-stock rally create a volatility and short-selling setup for active traders today?
Well, to figure that out, we have to look at the structural disconnect. The KOSPI closed at a record 9,114.55 on Monday.
Right, over 9,000.
Yeah, but if you look at the equal-weighted KOSPI 200 index, it actually fell 4.83% that same week.
Wait, so the equal-weighted index actually fell?
Exactly. It shows you just how entirely reliant the broader market is on those two semiconductor giants.
Which brings up the short-selling angle. I mean, short sellers triggered 205 overheat designations year to date.
Right, and what's fascinating here is that this already surpasses the 169 cases recorded for all of 2025.
Wow.
Yeah, and we still have 6 months remaining in the year.
That is intense. But let me push back a bit on the retail side.
Sure, go ahead.
With outstanding brokerage loans hitting $188.6 trillion, won roughly $134 billion, which is up 66.8% this year. Aren't we sitting on a leverage powder keg if these two semiconductor giants stumble?
Oh, absolutely. It's a massive vulnerability. But the domestic loan numbers, they only tell half the story.
Wait, what do you mean?
Well, look at the overseas leverage migration. Leverage shares listed SK Hynix 3X ETPs in London on June 12th.
3x, wow.
Yeah, and the AUM surged 12-fold, going from $543,000 to $6.52 million in just 5 trading days.
Just 5 days. I mean, I guess because Korean regulations cap domestic leverage at 2x.
Yeah, exactly. Retail traders are bypassing domestic limits entirely.
Okay, so we've got massive foreign outflows and retail traders levering up overseas. Bottom line, what does this mean for the active trader listening right now?
The divergence between massive foreign outflows of $2.55 trillion, $1.8 billion, and headline index gains is the primary positioning signal for you today. Rotation into non-semiconductor names carries meaningful execution risk until the Q1 2026 earnings season provides a true re-rating catalyst. The extreme concentration risk, paired with rising short-selling overheat designations and massive outstanding loan balances, creates an elevated environment for sharp single-stock moves in both directions.
Wow, okay. So something for you to ponder before we go. Will the index hold above 9,000, or will this concentrated leverage force a violent pullback to test IBK Securities' 8,000 range bottom as the summer rally narrative consolidates?
That is the big question.
A quick reminder that this deep dive provides no investment advice. #KOSPI. That's today's AI PRISM, stock investors. This episode was produced with AI assistance based on Seoul Economic Daily Reporting and reviewed by a human editor. AI PRISM is a 1 IFRE award-winning series. We'll be back tomorrow.